Hello everyone. So welcome back to this channel once again. And this session, I'll discuss how to retrieve the recently assigned value for an identity column for a table in IBM DB2 AS400. So basically, in my previous video, if you see, I explained where this identity value, which is assigned to an identity column in a table, gets stored in the IBM DB2. So in this video, I'm going to tell you how that value, that recently assigned value for entity column uh, can be retrieved from the DB2, my DB2. So here let's see. So basically we have ID call. This was a table having three fields, and this one is the identity column field, ID call, and other two are simply character or decimal fields. So let me show you. Just do DSP 50 DDL 80. Just two page down. So here you'll see that this is generated always. Original starts with 1, current starts with 1, increment by 1, min value this one, max value this one, cycle no, number of values to catch is 20. So this is the ID identity column. Uh, just insert two or more values, let's say uh, 7 7, and let's say 8 and 8. So now we have identity column value as 8, which is the latest one. Let's insert one more row. So now we have identity column which is auto populated, and the value is set as 9, uh, populated as 9. So now I'll let you know how I can retrieve uh, the latest assigned uh, identity column value to this table. So that is, if you see in this table, that is 9. So let's uh, use a function which is available in IBM DB2, that is identity underscore val underscore local. So this function is present inside sys IBM schema, and this does not have any input parameter, so you can see, and it will return a result of 31 decimal, and that's irrespective uh, of the identity column which is being set. Let's say here we set that as uh, big integer, so that's always return the 31 decimal. Now let's use the table name for which I want to see the latest assigned identity column value. So if we use this one, so this will give me the latest value. So I have to use fetch first row only, so that I'll only get one row, and having the latest identity column value which is assigned or used. So that's the function which we can use to retrieve the identity column for a table that is a most recently assigned value. And that's all in this video. Thank you and have a nice